Okay, today we have the PolarPro Cinema Series 6-pack filter for the DJI Spark. These are going to be ND filters ranging from ND 8, 16, and 32. It's going to be as far as a 5-stop filter. It's going to be pretty intense. And then it also has ND 4 PL, which means polarized lens as well. ND4 polarized, ND8 polarized, and ND16 polarized. So these will be for days that you want to take like reflection out of, say, water, or maybe you're shooting something that has like a building that has lots of glass on it. That will help reduce those reflections and give you a shot, you know, through that glass, so you can actually see the inside of the building as well. That can be really helpful for real estate photography and videography, things like that. And the NDs are going to be great for lowering your shutter speed to accommodate for more film-like settings. So let's pull these out. I've actually never opened these before, so we've got some packaging. Here we go. Okay, nice. Got a little sticker. All right, so this looks like the installation manual. So there's a frame behind the actual lens, the filter lens, the rotating bezel, also security pins. Cool. Locate the vents on the rear of the camera by moving the camera into its downward angle. Locate the 2 security pins on the filter and place them on the second-most outer vent slots. Press the filter frame downward over the Spark camera lens. You will feel it lightly click into place. Ensure the flexion frame is contoured to the back of the camera. If it is not contoured, press it down to make it sit flush with the frame. You are now ready to fly. These filters are designed to be tight enough to stay on during extreme flights, yet soft enough to be easily removable. They are guaranteed not to come off during flight. If for any reason they do, we will take care of you. That's really cool. I like when companies have like guarantees like that, you know? Makes me feel a little more comfortable using their product. Cool. When to use. Okay, so this is going to be a little bit of a guide for us to know when to use these. This filter reduces 2 stops of light and also reduces glare and increases color saturation. This one is great for partly cloudy days where shutter speed reduction and polarization is needed. 4-stop ND and polarizer is perfect for sunny days to reduce shutter speed to cinematic levels and also reduce glare. Okay, so the NDPL lenses are going to have to be aligned before each flight, and that makes sense because, you know, a polarizing lens is like a whole bunch of lines in your image, so you're going to have to move those into the right place so you can actually get rid of that glare. All right, so these are going to be where you need to reduce the shutter speed for smooth cinematics, and extremely bright days is going to be ND32. Awesome. Here's our little sticker. We're going to hang on to that. Oh, cool. Comes with a little lens cloth. Nice. Nice branding with PolarPro. PolarPro. Cool. And these are the actual lenses. Wow, really nice case. I like that a whole lot. Beautiful. Okay, so filter guide. They've got an app. Cool. So that can help a whole lot when you're trying to figure out your ND filters and your settings and all that stuff. Nice. I like this a lot, so I'm gonna try and pop these open. There we go. These things are cool. All right, so these filters look great. Honestly, the PolarPro kind of bronze brass look around the bezel is always awesome. They've got some great looking filters just because of that even, but they actually have some great glass in them. PolarPro has always had some really high quality stuff. They teamed up with Peter McKinnon for some items, if I'm not mistaken. They've done all kinds of cool things like create anamorphic filters with Moment, I think, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, cool company. Excited to give these a try. Let's check out some footage. I'm gonna take these out and do some test shots. So let's check out that test footage right now. Let's go. Awesome. Well, let us know down in the comments what you think. I'd love to hear what you'd have to say about these, if you've used them yourself, if you've had any experiences, maybe if you've had some fly off while on flight. Anyway, let us know. These are the PolarPro, the Cinema Series 6-pack of filters. We have NDPLs and NDs. Awesome. Well, thanks for watching. Check the link in the description. Our Amazon page is always there if you want to check out some more reviews and some equipment that we like. Feel free to check out our gear list. Feel free to check us out on YouTube and Facebook. Definitely give us a subscribe or a like there, and you'll see more reviews from us soon. Thanks for watching.